To get started, first, press on the extension. We have many different functions in this extension. We will use extract posts. As you can see, we extracted the posts in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to scrape the members of this community. To do this, press on Members. Then press on the extension. Then press Extract Community Members. Now again, scroll down to add more. And as usual, you can also use the auto function. Now just export. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.